How to use OBS Virtual Camera on Monkey. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and create the scene you want to use. You can add your webcam, screen capture, images, text, videos, or any other sources. Once your scene is ready, go to the Controls panel and click Start Virtual Camera. Now open Monkey in your web browser and log into your account. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and select Settings. In the search bar, type Camera and then click Site Settings. After that, select Camera. Under the Camera section, click the drop-down menu at the top and choose OBS Virtual Camera from the list of available cameras. Once you've selected it, return to the Monkey website and refresh the page if necessary. If the camera option doesn't appear in the list, make sure the virtual camera is running in OBS. You can also try restarting your browser and checking again. Once everything is set up, start a chat on Monkey, and your OBS scene will be used as your camera feed. You can switch between different scenes in OBS at any time, and the changes will appear instantly on Monkey. And that's it. You can now use OBS Virtual Camera on Monkey and customize your video chats with OBS scenes, overlays, and effects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.